Is your pool pump howling in the backyard, or your neighbours are sticking their head over the fence wondering what is going on when your pool pump's running? Today we're going to be talking to you about pool pumps, how to correctly size them, and possibly what you might be looking for when you need to change or replace your existing pool pump. Features that you'd be looking for is a 316 grade, marine grade stainless steel shaft. This is probably one of the biggest driving factors that we recommend to our customers for pool pumps. Reason being that anything in a chemically treated environment, such as the pool water, is going to be prone to corrosion, rust, and a shorter lifespan. So a 316 marine grade stainless steel shaft, which is commonly found in our range of pool pumps, is going to have much more longevity and you're going to get a much longer lifespan out of them. What I'd also be recommending with the range of pool pumps that are on the market is you opt for a pool pump that's got a minimum of 2-year warranty. In the pool pumps category, you've got two types of pool pumps. You've got your standard single speed pool pumps, and then you've got your new eco pool pumps, which are usually a variable speed or a multiple speed setting on the rear of the pump. We commonly recommend to opt for an eco pump, as it will save costs in energy and electricity. Here we've got a Water Technics 1 horsepower pool pump. Now this is your standard straightforward single speed pool pump. It's bulletproof. It's got the 316 grade, marine grade stainless steel shaft. It's a plug and play application, simple, straightforward, very minor plumbing required if you need to go down that path, and then easy to operate, easy to open lid at the front here. Open it up, basket out of the top, empty the basket, nice heavy duty, well-made plastic basket at the front there. Perfect to capture all that debris. Lid back on, locking tabs back up, and away you go. Maintenance is easy. These things are bulletproof. We sell a lot of them. We highly recommend them to most customers. And it's a very easy installation. If you do need to change the unions, as not all unions are the same, it is just some minor plumbing at the front and the top of the pump to make it retrofit to your existing application. If you still have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email at support@mrpoolman.com.au, and we'd be more than happy to help you however we can.